Good morning. This is Diane in Plant-Based Dallas, and I wanted to show you all this morning how I'm going to cook black rice and potatoes at the same time in the Instapot. I like to use the Lundberg black rice. You can usually find that at Whole Foods, Sprouts, or any of your good grocery stores, or if you have black rice in bulk at any of your stores. Make sure it's organic. I think that's important when we get our rice. Okay, so I wanted to cook some black rice, and I went to my nice handy dandy charts, and black rice cooks for 15 minutes. And then I decided that's my alpha list, and then I have this companion cooking time, and I thought, I wonder what I can cook with my black rice. Well, russet potatoes and sweet potatoes whole both go for 15 minutes. This is my companion cooking chart magnet, and if you all don't have these are available on my website at plantbaseddallas.com. So I can cook two things at once. So what I've got here is I rinsed my black rice. Always rinse your rice and grains before you cook them. And then I've added enough water here that exceeds the rice by about an inch or two. I never measure my water for my grains or my beans. I always just add plenty of extra because I'm going to drain them and rinse them anyway. So we've got our rice in here with the water, and I have a little trivet that I got with one of my Instapot accessory kits that I bought online. So I'm going to put that right on top of it, and that's going to be where my potatoes are going to sit. So I'm going to arrange these hopefully to be able to get all of them in here. Okay, so I take that to my Instapot. I lock the lid on, make sure the seal is closed, and we're going to put it for 15 minutes. So you hit the manual button, you go down to 15. Using the plus and minus, you adjust the time, and then you wait for the 3 beeps, and the 3 beeps indicate that the machine is starting. There's our 3 beeps. Okay, so it will build up to pressure. Once it hits the maximum high pressure, it will lock, and then it will start with our time cooking down from 15 down. So it'll say 15, 14, 13, and then it will automatically go to warm if you're not around. So Instapot is great. Over here, I have my oat groats cooking. And oat groats, after looking on the chart, oat groats are for 32 minutes. So my oat groats have just now gotten up to pressure, and it's going to cook for 32 minutes. That's what it's got it on for. So y'all use your Instapot. It's great to food prep for the week. You can cook your potatoes, a batch of beans, and you don't even need to put any spices or anything in it because you can spice up your beans when you make a meal with them. So I like to cook all my greens and beans without any spices, and I spice them up later on when I use them. You can then instantly freeze some of them. If you make way too many, you can freeze your beans or your grains in mason jars. I like to put my grains and beans in these smaller jars so that I can grab them out if I don't have any beans cooked, and grab them out of the freezer and let them defrost and use them in a recipe. So this morning I'm going to make some oat groats, and after this is cooked, I'm going to rinse them all off, and I'm going to add some fresh blueberries, some flax seeds, some chia seed. I'm going to chop up some red cabbage to get my cruciferous greens in there. And I'll add the fresh cabbage raw so that I won't cook it. I like to have that crunch in there. And I'll add some cinnamon spices, and it is really a delicious, tasty dessert. A few nuts on top to add a little bit of extra crunch and some omega-3 fats. And we're good to go for a nice hearty breakfast. Y'all have a great day. Enjoy cooking in your Instapot. And if you need any of these Instapot magnets, check out my website at plantbaseddallas.com. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.